my friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect white rice. Some people think rice is hard to make, but once you follow these steps, you'll be wanting to make some rice for your family every day. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to So grab your pot, your rice, and your water sugar, because we're about to cook some rice magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my medium saucepan, I have 1 cup of long grain white rice. And instead of using my measuring cup, I use my mug cup right here. And I also wash my rice, but it's optional, but I would recommend it. It'll get rid of all the particles that may be in the rice. And to my rice, we're going to add in 2 mug cups of water. And off camera, I add a little salt. That's optional too. And we're going to turn the fire on to high. And all we do is let this come to a boil. All right, my friends, the rice and the water has come to a boil. So all we do now is cover it. Going to turn the fire down. And we're going to let the rice simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, my friends, there you have it. And that's how you make perfect cooked white rice. I'm gonna grab me a fork. I'm gonna fluff it a little bit. See how nice and fluffy this looks? You can serve it with your favorite dish. You can serve it with chicken or beef or pork or some rice and gravy or rice and butter. Hey now. Awesome. This is thebomb.com. Well, my friends, thank y'all so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.